Which symbol should you be using to protect your brand, your slogan, or a tagline? Today we're going to discuss the difference between the TM, the R in a circle, and the SM. Hi, I'm Jason Rosenblum. I'm an intellectual property attorney protecting my clients' products, brands, and businesses from getting ripped off. And today we'll discuss the difference between these symbols. The TM stands for trademark, and the SM stands for service mark, and they both generally have the same purpose in that you can use them at any time. You don't need to file for a trademark or a service mark. You don't need to have one registered. They're essentially just common law statements saying that you believe this is your trademark and putting others on notice to that claim. The real mark of a trademark is the R in a circle. That means that you actually have a registered trademark, and not just that you applied for one, but that it's actually registered. And essentially this puts others on notice to your registration. It could help you obtain higher damages in the future should you have to assert that trademark against someone. And it should be used in close connection with where the registered brand, trademark, slogan, logo is. And just to give you an example, if you're looking at like an Amazon listing here, for Intel, they listed it right there. But then for this Evo Platform Core, they just used the TM. And when I did a search for Evo Platform Core, they do not have a registered trademark for that. They do, of course, have Intel is registered. Now, this one's a little different because it's actually Microsoft who put up the listing, and they decided not to put the registered for their brands. I guess with their deal with Intel, they have to put up Intel's registered trademark so that this way Intel continues to protect that. But it's always a good idea to use the registered symbol if you have one with your trademark. Usually with at least the first instances of it. Here if Microsoft would have used it, with this first instance, then maybe they don't have to put it everywhere else on the page. But it would have been a good idea to do that. So if you like these, subscribe down below. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Take care and have a great day, and thanks for listening.